Hey guys, welcome back to How to Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. In today's video, guys, we're going to explain what are the symptoms, guys, of a failing or bad blend door actuator. How to know that the blend door actuator is bad, and what are the first symptoms, guys, when it starts going out. Sometimes they will have those symptoms for a long time before they fail, but sometimes they just fail all at sudden. So stay with us, we're going to explain that. Quick introduction, guys. We make at least 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why? Because our mission here at the shop, guys, is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. In addition, guys, if you want to save some money, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get car parts, and tools for a really good price and fast shipping as well. So we have, guys, that blend door actuator removed out of a Chevy Cruze, but doesn't matter what car you have, the design is practically about the same on all of them. This is, guys, what the blend door actuator looks like, and I'm going to explain quick what it does. Now, as you can see, guys, it has one gear. That gear goes in the blend door. Blend door is that flap that opens and closes the hot and cold air in your car. So depending on what temperature you have the heater set on, that thing is going to turn and activate the door. Let me explain quick. Okay, you have the heat knob right here, or you may have a digital climate control. Doesn't matter, guys. Let's say, okay, you switch the temperature. Back in the day, there used to be mechanical cable that used to pull the blend door open and close. Now this is all digital. Let's say you click it like that and it says, okay, the blend door needs to be open at 28%, something like that. It's going to send signal to that actuator, guys, to actually open the door to a certain percentage. And usually the blend door actuator is either on the passenger driver side. You may even have two of them, and it mounts, okay, right there. You can see where the hole is. That's where it attaches, guys. Okay, like that. It goes there and it turns it left and right. Now, what are the symptoms, guys, of a blend door actuator going bad? Okay, one thing, guys. Sometimes you will notice in cold climate that they will get really noisy. You hear a squeaking, kind of like a whining thing coming from the heater when you start your car or when you change the settings for the heat. Second, guys, you may hear a popping, clanking and noises coming from behind the dash, okay, when you first start the car or when you guys change the heating or cooling settings again. This is because it could have a wore out gear on the inside or a cracked gear that is skipping. And that will cause the blend door, okay, to heat open and close a few times. So we have a video on Ford Fiesta. We did one like that. We had to replace it and it had only like 11,000 miles, believe it or not. So that could be another thing, guys. Now, if all of a sudden that thing fails and it quits working, what happens then, guys? You may notice that your heater is stuck in one position. It's either stuck on hot or stuck on cold. And what happens? You cannot change the heating settings, or you may change it up to a certain level, but it will never blow on cold all the way. So this could be, guys, due to a bad blend door actuator as well. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure it out. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.